Hi, it's Marianne here from Petal and Hive Lifestyle, and today I'm going to talk about how to fold your wrap so that you make a little pocket. So we're going to start with this 10 by 10 wrap, and I've got it positioned with the wrong side facing up, and the point where the eyelet is furthest away from me. Okay, so like this. I'm going to take the bottom corner and I'm going to fold it up, so about 2/3 of the way up. So then I'm going to take each side corner, and I'm going to fold it across, and I'm going to fold it just past midpoint, and I'm going to fold it so it's below the point that we just folded up. So like that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this point that I left open here down over those two pieces, those two folded across pieces, so I kind of seal it down. I'm just going to use the heat of my fingers to make it stick down. So now we have a pocket. See inside? But if we just do this and we fold it down over the top, it'll be okay, but the sides are kind of open a little bit, or can be open a little bit. So the trick is to make a little pleat in the corner. So what you're going to do is just open it flat with your hand and then push the front and back together while kind of creasing it with your finger on top. So you can use like a scissor finger on top to make a groove, and then you're going to just squash that down to shape it, and do the same thing again. So I'm just going to open it up. I'm going to scissor it with my fingers, and then I'm going to push the front and the back together around it, just like that. So now my little pocket has like a pleat, so it's like a gusset. And when I fold the top down, it's a lot more secure. The chance that my carrots are going to fall out or my cookies are going to fall out is almost nil. Sometimes you have to give this front fold here a really good firm minute of holding it to really get it into place. But once it's done and it's in place, it's good. And of course you can always unfold it again to wash it if you want to. But so then you have your little pocket. And then when you are putting the elastic cord around, I find that it's easiest to keep the elastic cord oriented to the front. So my cord looks like this. See how I've got it lopsided basically? And then I put the cord around, and I've got my cord set up with a little wooden button so that I have something to yank on and tuck it like that. So I should have something to put into it to show you. Well, I don't have anything handy right away, but I'll be sure to show you on another video. Okay, if you like what you're seeing, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more great videos from Petal and Hive. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.